In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by accessing Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available one to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!